Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So, we're back with another video. I believe this is number 23. My massive Amazon unboxing. This time it's not too much. I've just kind of been slacking, been a little lazy, but you know, I got a couple. It's probably like 10 or so of them. So, let's start it off with a big one. Yeah. Let's see, is my knife over here? Nope. Alright, first one is, let's see, what is this? This is a Cat 8 Ethernet cable, 5 feet. So obviously this is a free ship because I have no clue. But hey, that's cool. Cat 8. Okay, that's cool because I think the last time I had massive internet cables were like Cat 5 cables. So this being a Cat 8 has to be just that much better. So let's go ahead and open it and see how it looks. Was it flat? Nope, it's not a flat cable. But bam, there it is. Nice. Okay, well, I'll definitely put that to use. I'll upgrade whatever cables I have now, and maybe that'll make our internet just that much faster. Okay, well, that's cool. It's a nice free ship. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, let's see, what is this? Cool. So this is a beard straightener brush. So if I remember correctly, this was a Facebook ad, and if it was, then it should be posted in my video 22. But you know, it's just a beard straightener. I see a lot of people, you could just use it for your hair, even, you know, for guys, just kind of you know, with bed head, you could just kind of touch up your hair. So you just use this similar to that. Beard straightener. Yeah, sorry, I don't have a beard, so nope, I can't put that to use, but I'll definitely try it on my hair. And if y'all are interested in that, I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so this one's pretty cool. This was a Facebook ad, and these are for T10 LED bulbs. It's a 10-pack. And yeah, I'm pretty sure they refunded me. I'll double check. It's been a while. I haven't really, you know, done this in a while, so but I'll check. But man, these are some pretty cool looking bulbs. Look at that. I have some in my car currently. I might upgrade them to these because I'm sure these will have to be brighter and just nicer overall. Because I like, because this has a real good three LED heads up front, and then 3 on each side. So you almost have a 360 view pattern. I think my old one might have just been flat with bulbs on each side, but I'll check. I'll probably upgrade them to these. So what we have here is Gashu scraping. So this is from a seller. So I'll do a separate video on this. And this one's already kind of open on the side, huh? Let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. So these are party sticks. A whole bunch of 8-inch long beads. I believe this was from a seller, but I could be mistaken. Just go back into my other video and see if I provided a link for this. I don't recall. Sorry, guys. It's been a little while. Look at these. Man, are they like pre-cutting my bags for me? This is like my third one that I noticed that it seems kind of peaked. All right, so this was a Facebook ad. I definitely remember linking this in my previous video, but this is pretty cool. It comes with some magnetic charging cables. I'll probably just do a quick unboxing of this because, you know, this is pretty cool. But yeah, look for it. I'll make one after this. But it's a car charger with magnetic cables. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll post a video soon. Oh, this one's kind of trashed. Alright, so this one, I'm pretty sure I linked it in my previous video because this is a pretty cool deal. So this is for a Raspberry Pi. Oh, 4. Okay, well I have a Raspberry Pi 3. So hopefully it'll fit in this. But it's just like a you could maybe use it. Oh, it didn't come with LCD. Oh, okay. I thought it came with an LCD. It comes with this screwdriver even. Looks kind of used. Okay. Well then I guess I won't have too much. Premium touchscreen case. 7-inch screen. So does this not come with a screen case? Okay, I guess it doesn't. Well, I guess I won't be using this really, because I'm not going to put the money out for a screen. I just, you know, I'm not going to invest too much money into this. I already have a case for my previous one, so I think I'll just... If the viewer wants it, let me know and I'll ship it to you. Two things in this one. All right, let's see, what is this here? This is an airplane footrest, adjustable height. Yeah, I think you saw in my previous video, I had a couple of those. And these are some pair of arm sleeves, white. I guess for when you go running. That was, I'm pretty sure, a Facebook seller. All right, let me go grab my scissors. Since I didn't bring my knife with me. Here, let's open a box or two. Let's see here. Ooh, look at that. Has a nice battery sticker. Awesome. What can it be? Hopefully something cool. Yeah, it's the Christmas season, so I just haven't really been paying attention to these. I kind of let it sit around. Alright, what is this here? Oh, okay. So this was through a Facebook group. And it's just a nice, cool little flying drone helicopter. These are actually really fun. I had something similar to this. And it was just fun. The kids loved it. It just flies around. And if it comes close to your hand or something, it'll just move away. But yeah, these are actually really fun. Kids really do love them. And they don't really get bored of them too fast either. When I had the kids play with it so much, the propeller started flying off of them. I guess I had to glue it in or something. I don't know. Okay, so this one's definitely from Facebook seller. I'll have to double check, make sure I got refunded. It's just kind of recent. But just yet another coffee canister. So I guess this time around, there's a lot of sellers, brands trying to get rid of them. I guess they just can't sell enough of these. So they just try and get rid of them. And this one's pretty cool. This is probably my third one. But I like it when they have a little place for you to put the little measuring cup on the side. It just makes sense. My other two didn't, so I tried to slide it in. It just doesn't stay. Sometimes it falls out. I mean, it's not a big deal, you know, but just when you want to make coffee quick in the morning, you know, you're too tired to really think. You just want everything right there in front of you, right? Makes sense? Sorry, just clean up a little bit so I could get more room here. This one's kind of heavy, so hopefully something cool. And we have... Oh, okay. So this is another Facebook ad. I'm pretty positive I linked this one because, you know, it's a pretty cool thing. I could do a video on this, but I don't think y'all really care about this, but maybe I will. But it's just a deluxe taco stand. So I believe you could put this in the oven too, but so you can crisp up or you keep your stuff warm. But it comes with this little cool like guac holder in the middle, or, you know, for your sauce, any type of sauce, but you just stick it in the middle. Oh yeah, there you go. It's grill and oven friendly, so it's not totally 100%, I guess. Dishwasher safe, which is really good, and can withstand heat and corrosion. So this is premium stainless steel. So yeah, it should go through all that. That makes sense, right? So it holds 1, 2, 3, 4 tacos. Cool. Guess it's time to bring back taco night for my family. I always wanted something like that, you know. I mean, you want to make tacos and it's hard to hold, and I don't know. It makes sense to have one. So I'm glad it's a 6-pack. I could have sworn it was a 2-pack. Let's see, it says 6-pack. Oh, 6 items. Okay, so it is just 2 of these stands, 2 sauce bowls, tongs, and small tongs. Okay, so I guess when I thought 6-pack, it means 6 holders, but nope, it's not. All right, let's see. Oop, box fell over. All right, so this is from a Facebook seller. So I'll do a separate video on this. H11. Was that what I wanted? Or did I need H1? Huh. I guess I'll have to Google that and see. H1, H8, H9. Oh man, I hope I didn't get the wrong size. If not, hopefully I can find someone to give that to. I could have sworn we're H1, but I could be wrong. I guess I'll have to Google after this video. But these LED bulbs, they work really well. If you have like an older car, especially if it's a projection headlamp with older cars, you definitely need to get these. But you kind of have to look around, try to get the right ones. I've tried some cheap ones, and it actually still works. It's still really bright. There's a lot of YouTube videos on this, but all the ones I've tried, they work pretty darn well. Even on plain conventional headlights, like we have a cord, and it works well, even though it's not projection, but it still works. It might blind a little bit, but it wasn't as bad as some people make it. But yeah, so this one is not even labeled, so I guess I'm gonna have to open it. Let's see, is there anything cool here? Come on. Oop. So it's a remote fell out, and what is that? Let's see, I have a remote. I guess someone really wants me to open the whole thing. And let's see. Let's see some. Oh, so some type of angel lights. So what's this big base for? Oh, so you hang it. Okay, so this one just, it makes kind of like these cool looking fireworks. Looks like fireworks, but it's just like an LED thing, and you stick out the string, so it looks almost like a big fireball or a firework burst. I don't really feel like opening it. I'm just gonna open it whenever I do decide to use it. But already missed Christmas, so I'll probably maybe next year. Yeah, I guess I should open this just a little bit sooner. I could have used it maybe on top of my Christmas tree or something. I don't know. Well, you get one of those, and I think that was a Facebook. I'm positive that was a Facebook ad, and I'm pretty sure I linked it in my previous video. So look out for that. Look for the ad link. And it seems like Facebook is starting to crack down a little bit. I have seen a little bit less ads, but it's not too late. So just, hurry up, get on it. And my last one is also a Facebook seller. This one's cool. It's a portable blender. So I definitely would give this a try. Let's see. It says 120 watts, 14 ounces, 400 milliamps. So it's pretty much cordless. That's cool. Yeah. Well, I'll give it a try. Maybe I can make a video if people are interested in it. I'll just do a quick YouTube search. I'm sure there's probably tons of these type of reviews already, so you probably don't really need another one. But yeah, that's pretty cool. 6 lead blades. Yeah, sounds like enough blades for me. All right. Well, that's it. Did you see anything you like this time? Leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you comment so I can know that you enjoy this stuff. And I will try to bring more content to you, all right? This one, I think I like the LED bulbs. I just have to kind of make sure if they fit my car. If not, I'll have to try to give it to someone, all right? I'll leave it there.